Now let's talk about how to solve some capacity comparison problems given a diagram. The diagram in front of us shows 3 different containers and the amount of capacity that they have. Looking at my questions, I can see that all of the questions are asking for answers in the unit gallons. So I know that I want to put all of my answers into gallons. Looking at my diagram, I see that I have quarts and gallons here. So I'm just going to need my formula that relates quarts to gallons. This formula is that 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. Alright, now let's look at our first step. Container X has 1, 2, 3 gallons. I don't even need to change that. I can just leave it as 3 gallons. Container Y has 2 quarts plus another 2 quarts. That's equal to 4 quarts. And if I look at my formula, I can see right off that 4 quarts is equal to 1 gallon. So I know that container Y can hold 1 gallon. How about container Z? I have 1 gallon, and then I also have some quarts here. How many quarts? Well, I have 4 here. If I have 4 quarts and I go back to my formula again, I can see that 4 quarts is equal to 1 gallon. So I have 1 gallon, plus I have another gallon here. So I'm going to write that container Z can hold 2 gallons. Now let's look at my questions. The volume of water in container X is blank gallons. Well, container X is that top one, and we already said that it equals 3 gallons. How about question 2? Container Z contains blank gallons more than container Y. Well, Z holds 2 gallons, and Y holds 1 gallon. So I'm going to put that container Z contains 1 gallon more than container Y. Now container Y contains blank gallons less than container X. Container X holds 3 gallons and container Y holds 1 gallon. So with simple subtraction I can see that container Y holds 2 gallons less than container X. Now the total volume of water in the 3 containers is blank gallons. I have 3 plus 1 plus 2. Well, 3 plus 1 plus 2 is 6. So my total volume of water in all 3 containers is 6 gallons.